Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to week 8. So I had a lot of fun reading those discussions on the passenger pigeon. Most of you, I think, thought that it was not such a good idea, and I have to agree with you there. It is kind of an ecological disaster reintroducing some of these species that already had a hard time. But anyways, it was interesting for us to discuss that and think about all the different options and what could go right and also what could go wrong. So this week, I'm looking at the schedule here. We have the forces of inheritance. So we just sort of continue on this theme that we're on, which is DNA, inheritance, and with that, how is that shaping species, given that they're inheriting and natural selection is going on? And how is it that species don't stay the same? Why are they changing and how do they change over time? So very interesting, I think. I think you'll love this week. You'll find very interesting also. And as always, keep in touch. If you need to talk to me, send me an email. If not, we're doing well. We're sailing along. I guess we're halfway, right? Week 8 is halfway, 16 weeks. So there you go. I'm doing great. See you next week. Bye.